A very good morning to everyone. Students, today we will study about the chapter An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. Okay, so this chapter throws light upon a tragic incident that had never happened before. It was when an Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, the magic woman, was part of the international crew aboard in US Space Shuttle. Columbia became the first woman in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. Next is, what is a space shuttle? A space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travel, unlike a rocket, for example, between Earth and a space station. Next is, use a dictionary to do the task below. Find out the meanings of the following words and phrases. Look up the words underlined in the phrases. The first one is naturalized. What is the meaning of naturalized? Is the process to make someone a citizen of the country they were not born in. Okay. Next is space. The area which surrounds the planet Earth and the other planets and stars. C is frontiers. The leading people. Frontiers means that leading people. Aboard. One on or onto a train, ship, aircraft or bus. Next is liftoff and how it is different from takeoff. Takeoff is the rising or ascent of an aircraft or rocket into flight, while liftoff is the point in the launch of a rocket or an aircraft where it leaves contact with the ground. Okay, notice the spellings of these words in this lesson. Airplane, program. This is how these words are spelled in American English and how they spelled in British English. And in British English, airplane, aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, and program, P-R-O-G-R-A-M-M-E. Okay, both we have pronounced the words in the same way, but the spellings are different, but we spelled these words in a different way, aeroplane or program. Okay, next part of this chapter is, there is a news report. Tragedy in space, US space shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US space shuttle Columbia carrying India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st Feb 2003, killing all 7 on board. So, this is about the US Space Shuttle Columbia carrying an India-born American Kalpana Chawla and 6 other people broke apart in flames as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday. What was the day? Saturday. And what was the date? 1st Feb 2003, and all the 7 people were killed on board. The shuttle lost contact with NASA. What is the full form of NASA? National Aeronautics and Space Administration at about 9 a.m. as it came in for landing. It was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Columbia had lifted off on 16th January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. What is the time and what is the date when Columbia had lifted on? That is on 16th January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days. It had been stayed in orbit for 16 days, and the seventh member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy, and which last at the ended time it ended in the tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. Kalpana Chawla said that she dreamed when she was a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space, the leading people of space, and it was very much enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. After a Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering, against great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida. Okay, so after she completed her Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering, because her father is in great opposition, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America, and after that she earned her PhD also in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participated in a successful mission in space. You can see the picture of Kalpana Chawla also. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. Okay. Her family from India, everyone in her family from India cheered along with the staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but became a US citizen, married to flight instructor and whose name is Jean Pierre Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes and gliders. Because she was an astronaut, she was licensed to fly what type of engines, planes, single and multi-engine land airplanes, single engine sea airplanes and seaplanes, and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor also. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge. What type of challenge? Applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA, and she was first hired as a research scientist at NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, "I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country." When somebody is asked that being a woman in this field is very much applicable, then she replied, she never ever thought that she was doing his studies, that she was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country has gone into space. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. She said that she had dreams like anyone else and she followed them, and people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. And she said that the people who were around us, fortunately they were always encouraged me and always said that you want to, whatever you want to do, please carry on, keep doing on. Kalpana's first space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia. First space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the Earth 252 times. How many times? 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and test for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. Kalpana's first mission in space in the Space Shuttle Columbia was, what was the duration? 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long, and during this time she went around the earth about 252 times and traveling a distance of 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and Ukrainian astronaut, and the crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food, to see the food growth in space and test for making stronger metals and faster computer chips also, and all for a price tag. What is the price tag of about $56 million. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was a shock and disbelief. On Saturday night, when the news broke that the Columbia disaster, there was a big shock and disbelief. Everyone is shocked to hear this news. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. Okay, so everyone was very much frightened. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night. Everyone become sleepless at that night as thousands of people stayed glued to their television sets in the hope. What was the hope? That Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived, that they have been survived in this blast. A journalist wrote, she was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe-inspiring. The journalist said that she was a heroine. She has an enormous ability to become an astronaut, and you should know about her that from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering, and in this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe-inspiring. Her achievement, whatever she had achieved in his life, is very much inspired to all of us. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration. Because she was a girl from a small town and who touched the skies, Asman ko chhu liya tha, had become an inspiration for all of us in a message that she sent from aboard. Aboard means on or onto a train, ship, aircraft or bus. The Space Shuttle Columbia. To students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, the path from dreams to success does exist. There is a path from your dreams to success does exist. You have the vision to find it. You should have a vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dream. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dream. There were many people who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams. Okay, this is a very inspirational chapter and very about the magic woman Kalpana Chawla, and inspired us a lot also. Okay students, thank you.